Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the lovely Hannah in today for a redesign. So we removed a previous set back down to the clear layer. I think I had to do a fresh one on the baby here. So I used my tapered square tips for Hannah. So here we're going in with cola cubes from CJP. Haven't used this one before and it was really nice to work with, really pigmented, so it wasn't like wishy-washy or anything. It was really nice, so I definitely rate it. What colour, we was trying to think of what colour it is, but it's like a berry, yeah, it's just an odd colour. I don't know, some people were saying it was pink, some people were saying it was berry, nude. I heard like a pinky nude. There was a few of us here. So yeah, I'm using my size 12 brush to do this. So this set we just kind of made up as we went along. She had her sister like in the room as well, and was just making it up pretty much as we was going along. I don't know why I took forever on this baby finger. Hannah is my partner's cousin, so he's always in the room chatting, making her laugh, gossiping. So yeah, so let's move on. I'm trying not to stop and start so much, but I don't want to keep chatting. Oh, so we're going to go and cap this now in clear. Usually I do it at the end, like I'll do the design and then I cap sometimes, depending on what mood I'm in, or sometimes I cap as I go, and today was a cap as you go one, clearly. So just capping it in clear. I've actually got quite a few people in tomorrow and my clear is really low. I'm just praying to God that it's going to last the day, because I forgot to place an order today because I was busy today as well. Maybe I've got like a pot somewhere stashed. Oh my God, I'm looking at it now, it's so low. Right, so low. So the middle finger is going to be a ombre. So I'm using cola cubes again at the tip, feathering it up to the cuticle, not going all the way, just halfway. Just building up my colour really, deciding where to put it. So the nude I was going to go with was Cherry Blossom, and then I had a quick brain wave and thought about Flawless from Naio. I know you've heard me say it before, how amazing it is to work with, anyway, love it so much. If you don't have it, please go and get it. I promise you will not regret it. Anyway, so I decided to go with Flawless, and my God, I was right. I was so right. Just watch. Even on the smile, I'll do like a Frenchie on the pointer. It just even looked good on that as well. But yeah, here it is. Just the best. Watch how it goes on. It just reminds me of, like, I don't know, bubblegum, but it's not sticky. Doesn't those two colours just go so well together? I was so pleased. Like, you couldn't even see it was an ombre really. They kind of just really blended into each other at the end. But yeah, I've just loved to rate Flawless, and yeah, I'm gonna keep going on about Flawless because it is literally, the name Flawless for it is so amazing. So it's like they couldn't have come up with a better name for it. They really couldn't. So yeah, we're just going to blend this. Now I've completely gone over the top telling you how much I love flawless. Go out and buy it. So yeah, then I'll come in with that colour at the tip and just blend it back again, because sometimes you can lose it, but we didn't really, I just like to have it. So then on the pointer finger, like I said, we're going to do a, God, I'm chatting tonight, we're going to do a, I can't remember what people keep calling them, but to me it's a pointed French. So we're using the same flawless, and we're just going to create like a pointy smile line sort of thing. You'll see. I'll stop talking now because I am too much. So the thumb is just a full nail of cola cubes, kind of, look, let that run. So yeah, thank God that wasn't black, because that, or red, because that would have mega stained. But anyway, just a full nail of that on this now, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we capped the middle finger, and now we're going in and filing our smile line, pointy smile line, using my files, 100 and 180 grit files. I love my files. Again, these are another ones that you need to go and get. I've kind of, a lot of this now has been cut out because my head was just completely in it. All you see was my hair. So yeah, I do apologise for that, but just look at it there. It's such a stunning, sorry, I've got to stop. Anyway, so now we're going in with cola cubes, and we're also using a new glitter from mine that, listen to this, I called my glitter cola cubes a couple of days ago because I just was like, it reminds me of cola cubes, completely forgetting that CJP had acrylic called cola cubes. So I've had to I was like on the spot, I was like, I only found out today while I was doing her nails that they were both called cola cubes. So I said to her, oh my god, let's think of a name. So we changed it to Berry Blast. Then I was like, no, I swear I've seen that somewhere else. So then we decided to go with Berrylicious. So I think I've like seen a few people that have brought it with the name cola cubes on it, then Berry Blast. So I'm gonna have to like tell them that it's the same glitter, just renamed 3 times. Anyway, so yeah, this now was cut out quite a bit because of my head, like that. Oh, and do excuse my nail, I like ripped that line that you see in it. My nails are disgusting, I'm so sorry, you would never think I was a nail tech, but even though I know they're disgusting, when people comment saying how horrible they are, it really pisses me off. Even though I know they are. Yeah, so that nail was cut out quite a bit, but now we're going to go in with a full nail of our glitter. I just wanted to put a base down just for a little bit of background coverage. So yeah, just going to cover this whole nail in Berrylicious. So it's kind of like coppery, rose goldy, and then there's some I mixed it myself so I know what it is, and then there's some shards, some really nice shards. Yeah, really stunning. Probably one of my favourite glitters at the moment. So I capped them nails obviously, and then I filed and shaped and buffed and removed all the dust, and now we're going in with top coat. So I'm using what's it called, Premier Gel, their gel top coat. They had a massive sale on, and I'm pretty sure everyone would have got it because it was pure deals. So I brought a couple of their top coats really. So this is their top coat, can't think of the name of it, but I'm sure it's just like gel top coat. You'll see it on there, it's the only top coat. So yeah, just gonna paint them all with that Cuticle for 60 seconds. We applied NAFF STUFF Cuticle in cinnamon apple, and we are good to go. We loved how this turned out. They were so nice, those 2 colours. The Flawless, the Berrylicious, and the cola cubes were just a dream together. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.